Hey everybody, Chris here, and in this video, I'm going to help you set up a supportive and thriving community that can help make your members feel at home. Well, isn't that a nice idea? So if I were you, I'd grab my favorite drink, coffee, tea, or whatever it is that helps you get in the zone, and let's get the party started. For those who are not that familiar with Kajabi, it's an all-in-one tool that can help you with your online business. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife. It's equipped with all the tools that you need to survive and thrive in your digital business. It has everything you need to build, market, and sell your digital products, such as online courses, podcasts, coaching sessions, and many more. And of course, let's not forget about the cherry on top, the community feature. Well, I said all in one, right? So if you're new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below the video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission and no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. Once you're in, you'll find the dashboard. This is like the control center for your online marketing processes. Now to set up a community, let's head over to the main menu, choose Products, All Products, and then click on the New Product button. From there, you'll be asked what you want to create. There will be 4 options for this: course, podcast, community, and coaching. And since this tutorial is all about setting up a community on a Kajabi, then let's hit the community button. Underneath, there's a description of what creating a community will be all about. It also shows you the several features available for your community, like live video, video recordings, a post feed, and a mobile app, meetups, and challenges. I know this is a lot to take in right now, but I'm going to try my best to explain most of those features later. After selecting community, click on Get Started. On this page, you'll need to provide a name for your community. Just think of it like naming your village. It would be very helpful if you chose a name that's catchy, but also reflects what your community is all about. For instance, if you're building a community for cooking enthusiasts, you might want to call it the Pots and Pans Family Hub or the Kitchen Warriors, whatever fits your community best, but add some flair. If you're happy with the name that you chose, you can just click on Next. Now it's time to decide if your community is going to be free or paid. Since a Kajabi community is considered a product, we might as well make it a paid community. And then you'd have to select the payment type. Will it be a one-time payment, multi-pay, or a subscription? Well, that's totally up to you. But I strongly recommend that you make it a subscription type. I mean, it's the perfect option for a community. You can also set up the payment method. Here you'll have 2 options, Stripe and PayPal. It would be best if you enabled both so your customers would have no trouble paying out and you'd have no issue receiving payment as well. It's a win-win. Once everything's set, hit the Save and Finish button. After clicking the Save and Finish button, you'll be taken to the community dashboard. To add a description to your community, just click on the Settings tab. Here you'll see the title and description boxes. So go ahead and craft a comprehensive description of your community. Below the description, you'll find the option to upload a cover image. This is what shows up in the customer's library of products once they decide to subscribe to your community. So make sure the image you chose is something that would greatly complement what your access group is all about. When you're done, hit Save. Now let's have a look at your community. From the community dashboard, go to the upper right corner and click on the Go to Community button. It'll open a new tab and you'll land on a page that somehow looks like a social media platform. On the left side are the name and description of your community, as well as a photo of the founder, which is you, by the way, and of course the cover image that you uploaded earlier. Underneath the description field are the Find Members and Leaderboards tab. By clicking on the Find Members, you can see how many of your members you have on the roll of each. On top is a search bar that allows you to search for members. When your community gets huge, scrolling through hundreds or thousands of names could be a mundane task. This search bar will surely come in handy when that happens. On the bottom of the left sidebar is the Circles section. These are like subgroups or things that your community would be interested in. You can create as many as you want. Now the center of the page is more like a social media interface. There are 3 tabs on top, which are Feed, Challenges, and Meetups. The feed functions like the feed you see on most social media platforms. You can create a post, add files to it, and even schedule it for a later posting. On the Challenge tab, as the title suggests, you can create challenges for your members. But don't worry, Kajabi will help you create those. This feature can help you improve the community's interaction. All your members have to do is click on the Join button for your challenge. There would even be statistics so you'd see who's finished the challenge and how many have joined. And lastly, on the Meetups tab, you can get the conversation going by scheduling a physical or virtual meetup. Yeah, like Facebook, you can also go live in your community. To schedule a meetup, go to the Meetups tab and click on Create Meetup. A pop-up window will appear, and you'll be asked to provide a title, a location, maybe physical or virtual, an image, the start and end times, the time zone, and a description. When everything is to your preference, click on Save. Share your community on social media if you want more people to know about your community. Add the link to your social media posts. You may get the link by clicking the ellipses next to your community name and then selecting the Share option. Kajabi will give you a link that you can copy so you can share it whenever you want, and that's it, folks. You now have an engaging, vibrant community right on Kajabi. Now, you can welcome your members with open arms. Finally, consistent interaction is critical for the success of your community. As always, consistency is key. I think this is also the perfect time to remind you of the link in my description that would give you a 30-day free trial to Kajabi and access to my full course called Kajabi Jumpstart. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of the good stuff. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.